Okay, so I figured I'd do this one separately. So I'm sure you probably saw Robert and Kimber's 77 Ford F-250 Highboy video. Would have been posted just before this. But I figured just do kind of a quickie little walkthrough. But one of the things that I want to go ahead and touch on is a special little surprise for this truck. So before Robert had passed, we were going to a lot of Aaron Lewis concerts, and this was before he had even been diagnosed with cancer. And in talking with Robert, one of the concerts that he went to that I was not there for, he had spoken with one of the band members and talked to him about a lot of truck and car stuff. And he was going to one of the meet and greets for the band. And in talking with the band member in the elevator, he said, "Oh no, hell, I got something better for you." So he went ahead and took him up to his hotel room and had him wait, and said for them, Kimber and Robert, to, get anything that they want before Aaron came in. And this dash was signed by Aaron Lewis. So even though everything's kind of a little bit of a mess, that right there is Aaron Lewis's signature. So Robert kind of talked with Aaron Lewis, and he's definitely a Cadillac man. Kind of sat there in the hotel room BSing about cars and trucks and stuff for a bit for the actual meet and greet. Went down with him for the meet and greet, but was walking around with that glove box right there signed up by Aaron Lewis. So Kimber still has the contact for that band member. I do not recall who it was. And we'll be contacting him pretty soon here, because it kind of sounds like that Robert's Bronco is going to be getting this very signature. So we're going to try and make that happen. So I figured that would be kind of a cool little thing to show you, just something to show off. This is one of the things that Robert loved the most about this truck. He really did love building this truck, but this was definitely the top. So kind of a cool little memory I figured I'd share. I want to go ahead and share this one separately because I want it to be a shorter video. I want more people to kind of see that one. But yeah, so anyways, again, Robert and Kimber's 1977 Ford Highboy. If you want to watch the 32-minute video that I just finished posting on it, I am sorry for my videos being this long, but there's just so much to cram into such intensive builds. But yeah, anyhow, like, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I'm trying to monetize these videos to go ahead and get Robert's Bronco going. I know I keep on saying that, but all that money will be going into that until its completion. Make sure to share these videos if you like them. Go ahead and comment. If you don't, go ahead and comment and let me know what you want to see changed. I'm trying to do these just to kind of have people view. I know some people don't really have the best attention spans. I know I am one of them. So let me know what I could probably change to go ahead and improve these for you. I'm doing these videos for you, not just for me. Trying to preserve some history and get some more interest, maybe help out the community and get more people interested in these pickup trucks. But anyhow, again, thank you for watching this and my other videos. If you're curious about Robert's Bronco or the other video that I've done on this truck and the video that I will be doing on their camper trailer, go ahead and subscribe and hang out for a bit, or you can kind of watch those. I have some playlists going. So thank you again.